Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some foil highlights to soften up this grown out color, and then we'll color melt in some cool tones to bust that brass. This client's looking for some gray silvery tones, so let's see what we can do. Starting out on the first side, I worked from the bottom of the section, right at the hairline, to bring in brightness around the face. Placing the foils diagonally, I really diffused the highlight. As I worked my way up each side, I slowly moved from diagonal to horizontal placement.
I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before.
Okay, on to the second side. I follow the same pattern from the first, starting diagonally first, and then moving to a horizontal as I make my way through the section.
Closer than before, hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close.
I've sectioned out her part line and clipped it away. To keep the grow out really nice and easy, we're leaving a veil over the top. This section will be highlighted last. Moving to the back, I do a slight back comb to each section before I lighten. I tend to take a slice followed by a weave. I like to vary the pattern to add maximum color but keeping maximum diffusion for a really nice soft blend. As I make my way to the crown, I do some weaving without back combing to bring brightness up a little higher, and again to add pieces that will soften her natural color and add a little sparkle. Okay, onto that veil section. I section this out into small squares and backcomb each section. I keep the lightener lower on the section mainly over the previous brassy highlights. And now that everything's in foils, I'm applying Redken Shades EQ to everything that's not in foils. I process under heat for about 10 minutes, then we'll rinse and shampoo and head back to the chair to do a quick power dry and color melt in those gorgeous cool tones. I color melt from a 6 NA down to a 10 NA and process for 20 minutes, followed by a rinse, shampoo, and condition.
Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Alright, we're going to do a blow dry, a quick trim, and then it's time to curl.
Where did it begin? Where did it end?
color came out gorgeously smoky and so nice. The curls really kind of define everything and really allow the dark and the light to swirl together, and it looks so pretty. I'm super happy this came out. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below.
Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
I need something from you, and I need something new. Oh, I got things to prove to you, and I know what to do. Oh, you're moving with the lights, they follow in the night. You're always doing right. I see you watching too, and I know how to move. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. There's something I gotta say before we fade away. Oh, I'm not here to stay, my love, but that's another day. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above.
Alright guys, that's it. I had such a great time doing this color. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you found it interesting or found something in there that helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more videos this year, and I'm super excited to get started in 2020. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and until then, have a great day.